Antoinette. Tony.
Yes.
So, you haven't had your hair straightened in about a year?
Yes.
So, how long you been natural?
A little over a year.
Okay, so and you had it in braids?
Yes.
And so, but it was relaxed before?
No, not before. Yeah, it was relaxed. I've over.
So you've never experienced your hair natural? Because you
Not
had it
since
in
I was
braids.
a child.
You had it in braids, and now you. So, what do you think about when you took your braids out and how thick and pretty your hair is? What do you think about it?
Well, I knew my hair was thick since I was a child because my mom used to press my hair.
Okay.
So, but when I got the perm, the relaxer, it was like that since I guess I would say high school.
Okay.
Up until now, to last year. So.
Okay.
Going back natural, it's kind of rough.
So what?
Get adjusted to it.
So what do you expect? This should be your first time getting it straightened or even done, right? Because it's been in braids.
Yes.
So what do you think is going to happen?
Well, I just think everything is going to get done and my hair's going to get straight. I'm just looking forward to getting it straightened out and see how it looks.
I know.
Without the chemicals.
Yeah, look how. I'm sure when you had the relaxer, your hair was thick.
Yes.
Even with the relaxer.
Yes.
Yeah. So without the you can see right here where her roots were gonna dye her hair, and then you said you had your hair in braids for how long?
Since the end of June.
So you did you put them in and take them right back out, or you just had?
Yes, I did. Put them in.
Okay. And then you can see where, like from here, about right here is where the natural hair. So we're gonna put color in her hair, and we're gonna get her all right together. Hi guys, I'm Karen. You know, I started her shampoo with the Remedy Detox Shampoo, then the Replenish Shampoo, Moisturizing Shampoo, and then the Replenish Moisturizing Conditioner, which you will absolutely love. And then I used the Reset Leave-In Conditioner. After I applied her color, that's the reset, honey. Her hair, she had hair for days, but it wasn't enough. This reset conditioner was the bomb.com. It was great for detangling her hair. Now, of course, I separated her, sectioned her off, which makes things a lot easier because her hair is already detangled. These products detangle the hair so good that it just makes me ease through it. Now, mind you, she hasn't had her hair done in over 10 months. Look how I'm whipping through this hair. That leave-in conditioner is the bomb.com. And her even though the Remedy was good because she had a lot of edge control on her hair from the braids, and that stuff is very difficult to remove. But she's never had her natural hair straightened, so I have to straighten, trim, re-straighten, then curl. Because number one, when you straighten natural hair, if the ends ain't right, it don't straighten good. It don't straighten good. So you gotta it takes a little longer, but the results are a lot better. And also, like, you see how clean her hair is? It's very difficult to remove product buildup, especially all that edge control. But that Remedy and Replenish, it got it right off. If you got somebody, a teenager or somebody that uses a lot of edge control because of braids and stuff like that, they need the Remedy and the Replenish, not just one. They need them both because the Remedy takes off the buildup, and then the Replenish adds the moisture. Okay, back to Tony. See how silky her hair is? I love it. Well, I knew her hair was going to do this, but she did not. This is her first time ever seeing her own natural hair. Can you believe it? For those of you who aren't encouraged about their own natural hair, look at it. Oh my God, I can't believe this is my job. So now it's my favorite part. You know, they don't call me Edwina for nothing. But trimming the ends. She still got relaxer on her ends. You know, it hasn't been a year. It takes 1 year to grow out a relaxer. I don't care how long, whatever you done. But her hair was probably pretty healthy before she started with the braids, because I really can't see a big difference between the relaxer and the natural hair, but it's still there. Even though you see it or not, it's still there. So I told her we're not going to worry about cutting it all the way down, because I don't want her hair to be short. I want her to go back to work with her hair flinging. Like, we're not going to put your hair up in braids for 10 months and not go back to work with your hair being amazing. Okay, so we're not going to cut off all our hair today. Not today. Just a little bit at a time. Cut, grow, cut, grow, cut, grow. And then after a little while, it'll all be gone. But she keeps up with it. Now, I did tell her she don't have to come every week. She don't have to come every 2 weeks. She don't have to come every 3 weeks. But she needs to shampoo her hair at least every 3 weeks. And the only reason why I'm saying that with her is because her hair is super thick and her hair is super long. And I just don't want to overwhelm her. Okay, so after I trim the hair, I'm going to straighten it again. Yes, this is not too much straightening, because guess what? I got all that product buildup off. So when I straighten it, I'm not like beating it down. I'm not beating it down. I'm just caressing the hair. I would not let her leave here with straight pieces. That's another video, okay? So, but I'm straightening, and I'm going to make sure that, that her hair is flowing. Bigger curls, because I do want to do a wrap on her hair. I want to wrap it so it can lay silky and smooth, and at least set the wrap in place. I told Tony, listen, you can't just be letting your hair fling around. When you get home, I need you to wrap that hair up. When you get home, I don't care if you pull it in a ponytail. I don't care if you wrap it up, if you put it on top of your head in a high bun. I don't know. When you get home, wrap your hair up, because what happens is your own natural oils, they start to like press on the hair, and if your hair's wrapped up, your hair will stay. That's how it stays straighter, because of your own natural oils, and you just containing the hair. Don't wrap your hair when it's time to go to bed. That's too late. Wrap it when you get home, while you're walking around the house, being cute. Wrap it up, and then when you leave, unwrap it. Don't go outside with them bottom on your head and say, I did your hair. I don't want no parts of that. Don't do that. Just keep your little wrap, by the door. As soon as you walk in the door, wrap it up, and as soon as you leave, put it back up. Okay, so that's my PSA. So anyway, so I curled it all up so that it'll be easier to wrap, and then I'm going to wrap it up for her, because she hasn't done her hair in 10 months, y'all. This is all new to her. I'm going to put on the Rose Brilliance, and then I'm going to wrap her hair up. And usually it'll take 2 people. And if you got a little girl, you'll see how it takes 2 people. One person can't wrap. A lot of people say, I can't wrap my hair. Yeah, because it takes 2 people. It takes 2 people. Well, if you want, and then once you have it down, once we wrapped it up real good, it's easy for you to follow. So I'm just going to wrap it around. I'm going to ask her to put her hand there. Hold it. Don't move it. And then I'm going to wrap the rest. And then I'm going to need your help. And then I'm going to ask you, okay, I need your hand. Lift it up. Yep, hold it. Wrap it around. Okay, so the saran wrap. I'm late on this, y'all. They've been doing this for years. This gives the most amazing shine and finish. It makes, one of the things with the mousse is day 2 on day 1. With this wrap, it's day 2 on day 1. So she got some rose oil on her hair. She's good to go. I'm going to put her under here and then put her under the dryer for about 5 or 10 minutes, and voila, it is so silky and smooth, and the curls aren't tight, but it's tight enough because it just gives like a smooth finish, very smooth, and it'll be easy for her to wrap it. It's great for definitely when they want like just body and volume, and when they want their hair to be bone straight. But her hair, oh God, look at that. Oh my God. Man, listen, that hair right there, that's what it is all about for me, honey. That is what it's all about. This is her hair. This is her hair. She's never seen her hair do this before. This is her first time seeing her hair. She said she had it like this before one time with the weave. But yes, honey. Yes, honey. And if she keeps it wrapped, this is all her hair. Oh my God. I'm in love. Oh my God. This is what I like to do all day. You can tell. Wrap it up when you get home, honey. Wrap it up. So she's amazed. She loves it. I gotta show you the picture of her before. This is her hair in a relaxed state. Can you imagine wearing your hair like this forever, and now your hair, after you went natural, it looks like this? Go natural if your hair is gonna look like this. Remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get more amazing videos like this. Okay? Talk to you later.